Hello awesome viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss how to resolve this error, unrecognized field, unrecognized property exception. How to fix this error. Without any further ado, let us start the video. As you can see on the left hand side, we got the user sign-in test that is failed. Why it got failed, we'll see. So one of the things we have to see, guys, here is go to the manager config manager file. Just add this line. I'll uncomment this line and I'll save this objectmapper.configure deserialization feature. So whenever we have anything properties which is not used, we'll be getting this exception. Just add that fail on properties is equal to false. If we run this test case now, run as JUnit test. Now you can see the user sign-in test is passed. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.